Dear international students, welcome back to Full Scholarships. Today we are here with another video and today we will discuss about top free internship at UNESCO. So it's an UN organization and it's very high in ranking in the world and it's one of the best nations to have the internship and one of the best organizations where students prefer to join. Before we discuss further about this opportunity and have live application submitted, live application on internship, we remind you again, if you have not followed us on Instagram, please click the follow button. Also, if you are new and watching this video, please do like this video and subscribe to our channel. You won't regret subscribing to us. Also, you can check our previous videos. We have made playlists so you can watch them and links are in their respective descriptions. To apply to this UNESCO internship, you can get the link from video description below. Check the video description and click on the link given here. Also, you can comment down below or message us on Instagram, ask for the link. You can get also it from Instagram bio. After clicking on the link in video description from YouTube, you will be redirected to our website here. Here you can read about this opportunity. So it's provided by the UNESCO partners and host country is vary and you can be settled in your own country or your preferred nation. So we will discuss that in while filling the application form for this internship. And here are the benefits and here is the eligibility criteria. So candidates must possess a bachelor's or master's degree. So you must have a bachelor's or you must be a bachelor's student or have, if you are a current in bachelor's you can apply, or if you have you can also apply. Similarly, you can have masters or are in a master's student. So candidates must be 20 years old at a time of application, so your age must be 20. So you must have some proficiency in computers, so and have good communication skills, so that are almost everyone having that. Now, how to fill the application? So we will go to UNESCO website and provide this information and then fill the application carefully. So these documents are required. You can check documents like transcript, visa if you have, and motivation letter, resume, medical certificate if you are like having any issues, you can submit that. Now, application deadline varies from country to country. So different countries have different deadlines. You don't need to worry about that. So to begin with the application process, simply scroll down. Here you can see a red button showing apply now. Simply click on this apply now. It will take you to the UNESCO official apply for internship form. Simply you have to fill these sections mentioned here. So we have 0% right now. So we have to make it to 100%. Then we can fill education, language, work and request internship details, then preview and submit that. So let's fill the information. So here we have personal information. Now select date of birth. Submit your date of birth, your nationality, your current address, your city postal code, phone number, and so now person to contact in case of emergency. So select the address of that person. It's for the emergency contact. Now submit the address, postal code, contact number. So are you the son, daughter, brother, sister of UNESCO staff member? No, we have no relations. So are you any spouse? No, we have no. Then submit the code. So I hope the characters are correct. Then click next. Now you can check we have 16% complete. So now we have to fill the education detail. Is the internship required by your current education? So it's not. So when did you complete your secondary education? So you have to fill the secondary education. Okay. Now diploma. Do you have a diploma? Postgraduate degree, 5 years, undergraduate degree. So I have undergraduate. Then date of graduation. Now name of the institute. So from 15 to 19. Okay, select country. Title of degree. So okay, previous education. Current most degree, so I have this, and before that I have secondary education. So it's from Jan. Okay, it's date of graduation 14. 12 to 14. Now we can add. Now click on next. So city town is required. Okay, click on next. Can check 33% complete. So now we have to submit language and IT skills. So our language is English. Writing, excellent. Reading, excellent. So I can use mother tongue it. Speaking, okay, comprehension. Similarly, computer skills. So I have this whichever you have, you can submit that. I can just say the example. So we can click next. You have to submit your own skills. So work experience. If you have, then you can submit. However, you can skip that. So from click next. So now details of requested. So now we have to select where we can have the UNESCO headquarters. Where do you want to have your UNESCO internship? So I prefer first in Asia, then UNESCO headquarters. So in Asia I prefer, so you can check. So here you can see Kathmandu. In UNESCO I can select natural sciences. Third, the field offices, field of specialization. So I want in this communication. and for duration I want to apply for 6 months. So starting date I prefer first, say March 2022. Please state your motivation. Just write your motivation here. Then preview application. So you can check we are in a preview mode. We have all details completed. Here you can see a submit button. Simply click on submit. So you have successfully submitted your application. So it is now awaiting validation. Once validated, your application will be kept in our database for 6 months and will be accessible to UNESCO managers. If selected, you will be directly contacted by manager. If you do not receive any update within this period, it means that your application has not been successful. Thank you for your interest in UNESCO and its activities. So I hope you have understood the process and have whole steps so you can fill another application, or you can just submit a test application first, then you can submit the exact application. I hope you understood the process and like this video. If you liked our video, please subscribe to this channel and also do follow us on Instagram. If you are new on this channel, please do subscribe before leaving this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe and share.